Hey friends, and welcome back. It has been a while since I did a Pinch Me unboxing, so I wanted to show you guys my November Pinch Me box. And you can go to pinchme.com and join to get samples. I will link that all down in the description box for you if this is something that you are interested in trying too. So this is all a free box. You get to pick what you want to come in it, and this is what I had for my November box. So it's usually really nice because it will come with a sample and it will come with a coupon for you to buy the product if you like what you get. So the first thing I got was this Allergy Medicine, which is great because fall allergies are hitting our family hard. This is a 3-in-1 and you just take one tablet and it should last all day. I also got this mayonnaise sample. It's from Heinz, who I know to make ketchup. I didn't even know Heinz had a mayonnaise, which is probably why it is in the box. I also got these Clorox Disinfecting Wet Mopping Cloths. These are Pacific Breeze and coconut scented. I was really excited to try these because they kill 99.9% of germs, and it is cold and flu season. And I also got this Barilla Pesto sauce in creamy ricotta and arugula, and even on the back it said that you can visit the website for recipe ideas, so I'm really excited to give this a try as well. And it also came with a coupon for some ready pasta, which is really interesting, and we will probably give this a try as well. So great stuff in our Pinch Me box for this month, and I'm excited to give it all a try. So we went ahead and tried out those Clorox wipes. I was really excited about the scent for these. Do you want to smell it? It's supposed to smell good. Smell it. Tell me what it smells like. Is it good? Do you want to here? Come here. You can smell it. Oh, thumbs up, thumbs down, or thumbs in the middle.
And what is that?
I think a thumbs up. Do you want to smell? Thumbs up.
You just rub it on the floor.
Yeah, it kind of drips. All right. You want to smell? Thumbs up, thumbs down, or thumbs in the middle? Smell. Yeah, it smells good. These smelled so good.
Now I can sleep.
Smell it.
Now I'm gonna sleep.
Alright, good. I have a tendency to hate citrus smelling or lemon scented cleaning products. They usually trigger kind of a headache, so I loved the way that these smelled. And these are great for the kids to clean with. They love cleaning with these kind of cleaning mops. That's why our Swiffer is already set to be short, because they're just so good helpers. They love to do it. Also, with kids that clearly still play on the floor a lot, I love that these kill 99.9% of germs and can help keep our house cleaner when they're kind of crawling all around. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, I will link that Pinch Me info below for you guys in the description. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of my adventures. Give it a big thumbs up, tap that bell, and let me know down in the comments what you think about my Pinch Me box this month. Bye, guys.